AK appears in the US. His movie is the only Hong Kong film shortlisted at the New York Asian Film Festival. The Hong Kong film Back Home starring Anson Kong premiered at the New York Asian Film Festival on July 25. Back Home was selected as the competition unit of the film festival. He attended the premiere event in costume and interacted with the audience after the screening. Many audiences shared their feelings about the film on the spot. Back Home will be released in Hong Kong in September. The film tells the story of AK has third eye since he was a child. Facing rejection from his friends, he moved to a foreign country when he grew up. One day, he received news that his mother had attempted suicide and was forced to return. He went to his old residence in Hong Kong, but the neighbors on the same floor behaved strangely. Don't miss this movie in September.